spinach and potato curry, or Saag Aloo. We've got a lovely selection of spices in there. It's really, really simple to make this. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's Indian, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's start over here with the potatoes. I've got about 4 or 5 cups of potatoes. I peeled them and I boiled them just for like 2 minutes. So they're still very hard. They've just got a little kind of give in them, just a little bit. 4 cups there of tomato. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Spinach. Now I'm using spinach. You could also be using palak if you want. Now this is fresh. Washed it, steamed it, and then put it in the bowl ready to use. Now if you want, use frozen. Frozen's pretty good. Canned stuff, don't think that's very good. So if you can get fresh, beautiful, but frozen also works really well. 2 cups of onion, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh chili to taste, up to you. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon each of the big 4. That's turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. And if you can get these, which some of you I know find really difficult to get, these are fresh curry leaves. Try and get dried if you can't get them. Nothing else really kind of replaces them. A few other bits, but let's get moving. So you're gonna need a fairly large kind of pot or pan. I've got this kind of wok type thing here. In there I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can change that if you want. And if you want, use less. I mean, I'll get accused of using quite a lot of oil. We're gonna drop in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. The fresh curry leaves, if you can get them. Also gonna add now some salt. And our 2 cups of onion. We're on an above medium heat, fairly lively, and we're gonna go for 3 minutes. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to drop in that tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2 blended up. Then we're going to get our potatoes. In they go. You can see I've kind of done them bite size. And like I say, really still very quite hard. I mean, I can't even break that. It just gives them a little head start on what we're doing. You can do them raw if you want, it just takes a bit longer to cook. 4 minutes. Again, on this lively heat, you need to be stirring pretty much all of the time. Nice. Okay, we're going to drop in our spinach now. Now, I'm using spinach, you could be using palak. If you're from the Indian continent, you're going to know what I'm talking about. Palak is another different type of kind of spinachy thing that is used heavily in Indian cooking. And again, like I say, this is fresh. I cooked it. Frozen is okay. Canned, I honestly think it's bloody awful. Let's get our fresh chili in there as well. Again, this kind of fairly lively heat. 3 minutes this time. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to go for our tomatoes. Like I say, nice juicy ripe tomatoes if you can. Check out our spices again. Now I always use these, the big 4. If you don't have the individual spices, you could use a curry powder. I think this is better. 1 teaspoon each. Chili powder, turmeric, coriander and cumin powder. About 5 minutes now. What we want to happen is those tomatoes to break down, get nice and soft. They're probably, well these ones will I think, because they're so juicy, give off a fair amount of moisture. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, as you can see, those tomatoes have broken down and they've created the beautiful masala gravy for us. Now, if you want, you can get the heat on a bit higher and kind of reduce it down and make it a bit drier. I'm kind of quite happy there. Check your potatoes and see if they're ready. Mine are absolutely fine. What I'm going to do is turn the heat off, drop in some coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. And I'm also going to add a nice big couple of pinches of garam masala powder. Garam masala is like a kind of nice little finishing spice to kind of blend. Check it for salt. Job done. Well done. Beautiful. And there we have it. Absolutely delicious. That's a big bowl of spinach and potato curry there. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.